Hello, good morning everybody. Good morning Kinder 2. How are you this morning? Are you fine? Yes? Great. Today's activity is super important because we are going to use the scissor. We are going to remember how to use the scissor and to practice cutting, okay? The most important thing, you know this, is that the thumb goes up. Okay, if I do this, it's wrong. Look, my thumb is facing down. Remember that you have to use like this. And when we cut, we always cut straight forward. Okay, not this, or this, or this, or this. No. You always cut straight forward. Look what we are going to cut today. We are going to use a construction paper because it's much easier to start practicing cutting. And look what I draw here. Look, I have a straight line. I have a wiggly line. I have a wavy line. And a zigzag. A zigzag line. It's very difficult, but don't worry that I'm going to show you how we are going to cut this. Look, I'm going to put this down so you can see. Okay, now you can see how we are going to cut. Okay, the first thing, remember, thumb goes up and your helper hand is going to take the paper like this, okay? And it's going to be in charge of moving the paper, okay? When we cut, we don't move the scissor to cut, we move the paper, okay? So look, the first one is easy because we have to cut straight forward. Chomp, 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 like a crocodile. Chomp, open and shut, open and shut. Yay, and we did the first one. Okay, now we are going to cut the other line. So look, your helper hand is going to take the paper, and with the other one, we're going to start cutting, okay? Remember that we move the paper, not the scissor. And we go like this, and this, and this, and we move the paper, okay? The scissor always goes forward, straight forward, okay? And we use the other hand to help the scissor to cut. Ta-da! Let's see the wavy line. We're going to do the same. We move the paper like this and we cut. And then we turn the paper one more time. We open and shut and we move the paper with your helper hand, okay? The scissor always face forward, and then we move one more time, and we cut, and we cut, and we cut, and I turn the paper like this. Chomp, 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 chomp. Yay, I did it! And look, the last one is the zigzag line. Are you ready? Okay, your helper hand. And now we cut. And then we turn the paper like this and we cut. And we turn the paper like this and we cut. And we turn the paper one more time and we cut. Okay, always straight forward the scissor. We turn the paper and we cut. We turn the paper and we cut. And one more time. Very good. You did it. Okay, now start cutting and practicing, okay? You ask your parents to draw the lines, your zigzag line, your wavy line, and then with the scissor, you start cutting, okay? Remember, the scissor always goes straight forward and you move the paper, okay? Great. So, get ready and hands on.